our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.